Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have another Advent, in Halloween Advent, and it is day number 6. So I guess we should go ahead and open those up and see. It is day number 6. There it is. And so I'll start with the Paw Ply yarns. It's exciting. There we go. Let's see what color we have today. Oh, isn't that pretty? Look at that. Oh, I really like that. Look at the pops of color in there. Beautiful. So we have that one. And then we have our lather. And let's take a look at what's in the box. What's in the box? Okay. And here is our lather. Oh, that's pretty. We gotta get our sticker out. And here is the sticker. That's really, I love that. That's one of my favorite stickers so far. But here it is. And that is really stunning. Here we go. So, let me get, I'm keeping them in the skull. So let me pull out the colors of the yarn. And let's see where we're at. So, for lather, the yarns that we have so far. Here's the lather yarns so far. There we go. And have to pull up the Paw Ply yarns because there's a few. Oh my. And here are the Paw Ply yarns. There they are. Oh, they look great. How fantastic. So, loving these. So, they're fantastic. I'm enjoying them. So, stay tuned till tomorrow for day number 7. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.